What do you do?
I am learning an artificial intelligence course.
That's great.
So, what do you do?
I want to learn online skills, but I haven't found the right direction yet.
You should join my AI Academy. Our professor is teaching a complete artificial intelligence course from basic to advanced.
Really? That sounds amazing. I'll join the academy tomorrow. Hi. Hi. Are you joining the AAI Academy too? Yes. Great. Welcome.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Tom.
Let's go. The class is about to start.
Good morning, Professor.
Good morning. Please come in. Good morning, everyone. In our previous class, we learned what artificial intelligence is. Today, we will understand how artificial intelligence actually works. To understand how artificial intelligence works, we must first look at how it processes data. This brings us to neural networks. Are there any questions on this? Claude AI is an advanced assistant that helps users write better content, analyze information, solve coding problems, and perform detailed research. Google Gemini is one of the most powerful AI assistants. It helps with writing, research, coding, and answering complex questions quickly. Perplexity AI is an intelligent research assistant. It searches the internet, provides accurate answers, and shows reliable sources for the information it gives. Canva AI helps users design professional presentations, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and marketing graphics quickly and easily. Leonardo AI is one of the best image generation tools. It creates realistic images, consistent characters, digital artwork, and professional designs from simple text prompts. Midjourney is an advanced AI image generation tool. It creates artistic illustrations, concept designs, and high-quality digital artwork from simple text prompts. Today, we explored some of the most useful AI tools. In our next class, you'll learn prompt engineering, the skill that helps you get the best results from any AI tool.
Did you understand today's lecture?
Yes. The professor explained everything very clearly.
That's great. Which AI tool did you like the most today?
I think ChatGPT. It really impressed me because it makes learning much easier.
I agree.
Tom, would you like to sit somewhere and talk about today's AAI lesson?
Of course. That's a great idea.
Tom, could you show me how to use ChatGPT on a mobile phone?
Sure, it's very easy, and I'll show you step by step. First, open the ChatGPT app.
Okay, let me try.
Perfect. Now type this question. What is artificial intelligence?
Done.
Great. Now wait for the answer.
Wow, the answer is so clear and easy to understand.
That's why ChatGPT is one of the most useful AI tools for students.
I really like it. Can ChatGPT also help me with my homework and presentations?
Absolutely. It can help you study assignments, prepare presentations, and even topics step by step.
That's amazing. I'll go home and practice with ChatGPT today.
That's a great idea. I practice with it every day, and it really helps me improve.
I'll start today.
See you tomorrow, Emily.
Bye, Tom. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Emily.
How was your class today? It was wonderful, Mom. I learned so many new things about AI and ChatGPT.
Big sister, can I go to the AI Academy with you tomorrow?
But first, you need to grow up a little.
Emily, go and change your uniform. I'll prepare dinner.
Okay, Mom. I'll be back in a few minutes, and then we'll have dinner together.
Okay, big sister.
Hi, Tom. Hi. So, what are you studying these days? I'm learning artificial intelligence at an AI academy. That's a great choice. Is artificial intelligence difficult to learn? Not really. If you practice every day, it becomes much easier. That sounds encouraging. All right, Tom. Best of luck. Thank you. Take care.
Hi, Tom.
Hi.
How are you, Tom?
I'm absolutely fine.
How was your class today?
It was really good.
That's great.
Tomorrow, our professor will teach prompt engineering.
Wow, that's exciting.
Where's Mom?
She went to the market. She'll be back soon.
Okay, I'll go change my uniform.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that helps computers learn, think, and solve problems like humans. Today, AI is used in education, healthcare, business, and many everyday applications. If you watch this course from beginning to end, you can build a strong understanding of artificial intelligence. We'll learn every concept together.
If you're interested in learning artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Let me show you some of the biggest benefits of learning AI. Learning artificial intelligence can help you save time, improve your skills, increase productivity. That's why AI is becoming an essential skill for the future. Today's class was really helpful. Tomorrow, our professor is going to teach us prompt engineering, one of the most important skills for using AI tools like ChatGPT. Let's learn it together.
Tom, my dear son, you spend a lot of time studying. Please take care of your health too.
Yes, Mom, I will. Don't worry.
Tom, could you please go to the market and buy some fresh fruit for the house?
Okay, Mom, I'll go right away. Can I have some oranges, bananas, and apples, please? How much is it?
It's $20.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Hello, young man.
Hello, sir.
What do you do, young man?
I'm learning artificial intelligence.
That's wonderful. Keep learning. This skill can open great opportunities for your future.
Inshallah. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Emily. How are you? Are you doing well?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing well too. What are you doing?
I'm practicing AI.
Well done. You'll become an AI expert very soon.
Yes, I'm working hard to understand AI. Did you practice too?
Yes, I'm practicing AI too.
Are you starting to understand AI?
Yes, I'm understanding a little. Once we attend the regular lectures and keep practicing, I'll understand it much better.
Absolutely, I'm sure we will.
Sir will teach us prompt engineering tomorrow.
That will be a very interesting lecture tomorrow.
Exactly. I think it will be very useful. Do you know a little about prompt engineering?
No, not yet. I don't know anything about it. Do you know about it?
Do you know about it? No, I don't know either. We're learning AI from the basics.
Yes, exactly. Soon, we'll reach the advanced level too.
Absolutely. Okay, Emily, I'll let you go now. See you at the academy tomorrow. Take care.
Okay, Tom. See you tomorrow at the academy. Take care too.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Tom.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today, we're going to learn prompt engineering. Before we learn how to write better prompts, let's understand what a prompt actually is. A prompt is simply the instruction or question we give to an AI system. Why does a good prompt matter? Because the clearer your instructions are, the better and more useful the AI's response will be. Why does a good prompt matter? Because the clearer your instructions are, the better and more useful the AI's response will be. A good prompt usually has a clear goal, useful context, and specific instructions. The more clearly you explain what you want, the easier it is for AI to give you the right result. Let me give you a simple example. If you ask AI, write something about AI, the request is too general, but a specific prompt gives the AI much clearer direction. Let me give you a simple example. If you ask AI, write something about AI, the request is too general, but a specific prompt gives the AI much clearer direction. Now add specific instructions. Tell the AI exactly what you want, how you want it written, and who the answer is for. Specific instructions make the response more useful. Another important part of a good prompt is the output format. You can tell the AI exactly how you want the answer presented, such as a list, a table, or step-by-step instructions. Here is a simple example. Instead of asking, write about AI, we can improve the prompt by adding a clear audience, purpose, and format.
Here is a simple example. Instead of asking, write about AI, we can improve the prompt by adding a clear audience, purpose, and format.
One more powerful technique is to give the AI an example. When you show the AI what you want, it can understand your desired style or format much more easily. Today, you've learned the foundation of prompt engineering. In our next lesson, we'll take it further and start creating powerful prompts through practical examples.